Is there anybody else out there that kind of struggles to stay in one niche? I mean, to me, I feel it's like human nature to want to explore, other things and do other things. I really enjoy gaming, so I'd like to make some content on gaming. And then I've also had a really big interest in finance recently, and I've learned a lot of stuff by doing some research, and I wanted to share that as well. And don't get me wrong, I honestly really love my woodworking thing, but I like to do other things as well. So from everything I've seen online and those gurus, they all say to keep it all within one specific niche. So right now mine's woodworking, but I don't know if it's possible to have like all three of those things on one channel, because I really don't want to start over with my following, but I want to create other content as well. So what do you guys do? What do you guys think? Should I make channels specific to each thing, or could I just put it all on here? Let me know.